Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to access TikTok Shop, but the option is missing from your account, you are not alone. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix it in a few simple steps. First, let's check where the shop moved after the recent app updates. Open your TikTok app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on TikTok Studio. Keep in mind, this has replaced the old Creator Tools menu. Scroll down. If your account is eligible, you will see the TikTok Shop option right here. Just click it and follow the setup prompts. If it is still not showing up, there are a few quick solutions you need to apply. First, update your app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed. Another common solution is to switch your account type. The shop feature is sometimes hidden on standard personal accounts. Go to Settings, tap Account, and select Switch to Business Account. It is free and instantly unlocks creator features. Lastly, check for age and region limits. TikTok Shop is only available in specific countries like the US and the UK. Also, you must be over 18 years old. If your profile age is under 18, the shop option will remain completely hidden. Try these out and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this guide was helpful, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.